The dhole, also known as the Asiatic wild dog, is a fascinating and lesser-known species with unique characteristics, rich social dynamics, and a distinct place in the ecosystems of Asia. Native to regions stretching from India to Southeast Asia, the dhole is scientifically known as Cuon alpinus. This wild canid has garnered interest for its exceptional adaptability, social behavior, and unusual hunting methods that distinguish it from other wild dog species like wolves and African wild dogs. While not as well known as some other predators, the dhole holds a critical role in maintaining ecological balance and displays a variety of intriguing behaviors and traits that make it a captivating species. Dholes are highly social animals, living in packs that can range from a small family unit of 5 or 6 to a larger group of up to 20 or more individuals. One unique characteristic of dhole packs is that they lack a strict hierarchical structure, unlike wolf packs. Instead, dholes exhibit a relatively egalitarian social organization where they share responsibilities, especially when it comes to hunting and taking care of pups. Pack members cooperate extensively in hunting, and they are known for their impressive teamwork, which allows them to take down prey much larger than themselves. This coordination is essential, as their primary prey includes large ungulates such as deer, wild boar, and occasionally even larger animals like gaur. Interestingly, dholes are not bound to hunting at specific times. Unlike many other predators, they are highly adaptable and can hunt both during the day and at night depending on the circumstances. Dholes are known for their highly coordinated hunting techniques. They work together to chase down prey in a unique manner that includes strategic cooperation, flanking, and taking turns in pursuit, which exhausts their quarry. They are also remarkably efficient hunters, with success rates often higher than those of larger carnivores like tigers and leopards. Although they are efficient hunters, dholes don't kill their prey in the same way many other predators do. Instead of targeting the neck, they typically attack the underbelly and quickly begin consuming their prey. This method allows the pack to eat as much as possible before other predators, like tigers or leopards, intervene. Because of their feeding habits, dholes can eat a substantial amount in a short period, which is particularly helpful when they are in tiger or leopard territory. Dholes are distinct from other canines in many aspects of their biology and behavior. They have a unique vocal repertoire that includes whistles, high-pitched screams, and chattering sounds, which they use for communication. These sounds are particularly useful in dense forests where dholes often hunt, as whistles allow pack members to stay connected over long distances. This communication system is complex and is believed to be one of the reasons for their excellent coordination during hunting and other pack activities. Another remarkable trait of dholes is their physical adaptability. They are known for their extraordinary stamina, allowing them to cover vast distances when necessary. Dholes have strong, muscular bodies and can leap remarkable distances, up to 7 feet in a single bound. This agility, combined with their stamina, makes them formidable hunters and helps them evade larger predators. Dholes are also adept swimmers and have been observed crossing rivers and lakes, an ability that further broadens their potential hunting range and helps them adapt to different habitats. In terms of appearance, dholes have a unique look, with short fur that ranges from reddish-brown to darker shades depending on their geographic location. Some have distinctive white or pale underbellies and bushy black tails. Their ears are rounded and tipped with black, and their faces are expressive, often giving them an inquisitive look. This appearance has contributed to their occasional depiction in folklore as fire-colored dogs or whistling hunters, which highlights both their striking coat and their unique vocalizations. Dhole reproduction and pack dynamics are also quite fascinating. Typically, only the dominant female in a pack will breed, but other pack members help with the care and feeding of the pups, demonstrating a communal investment in the next generation. Pups are often born in dens that are dug into the ground or repurposed from other animals' burrows. A litter usually consists of 4 to 6 pups, but packs have been known to raise litters with as many as 12 pups. Young dholes are integrated into the pack at an early age, and older pack members often play with the pups, teaching them social and hunting skills through play. Despite these impressive qualities, the dhole faces many threats that have significantly impacted its population. Habitat loss due to deforestation and human encroachment is a major issue, as dholes require large territories for hunting and reproduction. They are also vulnerable to diseases transmitted by domestic dogs, such as rabies and distemper, which have decimated dhole populations in some regions. Additionally, dholes are sometimes killed by farmers who see them as a threat to livestock, even though dholes rarely attack domestic animals. As a result, the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, lists dholes as endangered, with population numbers declining throughout much of their natural range. Conservation efforts for dholes are complicated by their elusive nature and the lack of public awareness about the species. Unlike tigers or elephants, dholes do not capture the same level of attention in conservation campaigns, partly due to their elusive and secretive lifestyle. However, conservationists emphasize that protecting dholes is essential not only for the preservation of the species but also for maintaining ecological balance in the habitats they occupy. As apex predators in many regions, dholes help control populations of herbivores and contribute to the health of their ecosystems. Interestingly, dholes play a unique role in the regions where they coexist with tigers and leopards. These larger predators sometimes kill dholes, but they also respect dhole packs and typically avoid confrontations. There have been observations of tigers avoiding areas where dhole packs are active, which shows a fascinating dynamic between these top predators. This coexistence has implications for conservation, as protecting areas with healthy populations of dholes also indirectly benefits other species, including tigers and leopards. The dhole's story is one of resilience, adaptation, and community. Despite the many challenges they face, dholes continue to survive in some of Asia's most remote regions. Conservationists remain hopeful that with increased awareness and dedicated conservation efforts, the dhole's unique legacy will endure.